Want to make your WordPress pages look polished with perfectly aligned text and images? That's exactly what we're diving into today. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to align paragraphs and images, but you'll also have creative control over more advanced layouts, making your website look professional and easy to read. Let's jump right into aligning text on your WordPress page. Start by selecting the paragraph block you want to adjust. When you click on it, you'll notice a small toolbar appears, usually hovering just above the block or sometimes at the top of your editor. In that toolbar, look for the alignment icon. It might look like 3 stacked horizontal lines, or sometimes you'll see individual icons for left, center, right, and justify. Go ahead and click on whatever alignment best suits your content. For example, left alignment is great for most standard reading flow, while centering can make headings or short quotes stand out. If you're working with justified text, don't worry if the edges look a little blocky. Justified alignment can give blocks of text a clean, magazine-style look. Changing the alignment is also handy for visual variety throughout long posts, helping to break up the monotony and draw attention where it counts. Now let's talk about images with text, a common spot where people want a bit of flair. To wrap text around an image, first add an image block wherever you want the image to appear. Then right after that, add a paragraph block for your text. Here, where the magic happens, click your image block and you'll see a toolbar pop up. In that toolbar, pick either the Align Left or Align Right option. Once you do this, notice how your paragraph text automatically wraps around the image, flowing on the opposite side. This is one of those little touches that can instantly make a post look more visually appealing. If your image seems too big or too small for the text, simply use the blue drag handles that appear around the image to resize it, or head over to the sidebar for even more precise controls in the image settings. Don't worry if it takes a few extra tweaks to get the balance just right. Sometimes, nudging an image a little smaller can make your page easier to scan and more inviting to read. For those of you who want even more control and flexibility, especially when you're aiming for that perfect side-by-side look, the media and text block is your best friend. To add one, click the plus icon to add a new block and type media and text into the search. Once you select it, you'll see a simple layout, an image on one side and a content area for your text on the other. You can swap the media side, put the image on the left or right just by clicking the toolbar options at the top. Plus, you can vertically align your text so it sits at the top, middle, or bottom, making things look balanced regardless of your image size. There's also a column width drag handle between the image and text areas that lets you create just the right ratio, maybe a wide photo with a short description, or equal halves for interviews or profiles. This block is fantastic for showcases, team bios, or anywhere you want your visuals and words to work side by side. And for those truly elaborate layouts, check out the columns block. This is your gateway to multi-column designs. Think magazine grids, portfolios, or sophisticated landing pages. When you add a columns block, you can place images in one column, multiple paragraphs in another, and mix things up to maintain visual interest. Each column acts like its own row, so you have tons of flexibility, and you can drag them wider or narrower until everything fits just right. So that's it, you're now equipped to align text, wrap images, and build more advanced, eye-catching layouts for your WordPress website. Experiment with these blocks and settings to see what looks best for your content. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.